what it is, yo. Oh, what's up? Chelsea Nicole got a new video coming up. What's up, you guys? So in this week's episode of Bored in the House of Bored and Impatient, I am gonna be coloring my hair. You guys, I am so excited. I've been going back and forth with this decision for forever, but we finally gonna go ahead and do it. Ay. I'm excited, you guys. Aren't you excited? So, I went to the beauty supply store. I actually went to two because I'm indecisive. So I picked up the Red Copper Cream of Nature with my good sis Jess. So I picked up 3 of these in the first store, but before I got home I decided this isn't really the color that I'm going for. So I'm going to be mixing the Red Copper with Ginger Blonde. I'm going for more of a reddish orange type of auburn color. I did buy like a mixing bowl and a dye brush, and I have on this old shirt that I don't really care about getting messed up. So we're gonna get started. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Of course I would decide to dye my hair during quarantine where I can't go to anybody, but I would rather I mess up my hair than go to somebody, spend a lot of money, and they mess it up. I'm gonna be pissed if it's somebody else. If it's just me, I'll forgive myself, like, no doubt about it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using 2 of the Red Copper and 2 of the Ginger Blonde. It comes with instructions, which your girl gonna need. The gel cream color, a packet of conditioner. What they thought I was about to do with this conditioner, I have no idea. None whatsoever. The gel cream hair developer and a little thing of olive oil. That is so cute. This thing don't come with gloves. Look at these instructions, because just because I say I'm gonna forgive myself, I still don't want to mess up. Is this like the perm? Because didn't the gloves come in the instructions on the perm? I hope so. Y'all give me some. Oh, they gave me some gloves. So I'm just gonna read through these instructions so I don't mess myself up too bad. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I read the instructions and I feel like I know what all I'm going to do. Okay, so my hair is detangled. I have it in 6 sections. So we're about to go ahead and get started. Y'all, my hair is virgin hair. It has never been colored. Like, in the 20-something years I've been living, the only color that has touched my hair is hair paint wax. So this is a first. I'm excited. Aren't you excited for me? You're supposed to cut the top off the hair developer. Okay. Ooh, this thing on there tight. Sheesh, they ain't want me to get in there at all. And then you're gonna open the gel color. So it is sealed with like aluminum foil, I guess. And so you have the little whatever. Stick it in there to open it. And squirt it into the whatever, the developer. Make sure I squirt all of that in there. I want all my color. And y'all, you're supposed to do like a patch test. Don't be like me. I didn't do it. I'm just, like I said, if my hair fall out and it messes up, I have no one to blame but myself. I'm gonna put the top back on there, and you cover the hole and shake it up. I don't remember how long it said to shake it though. That's in a different language. Okay. Oh, until mixture is totally blended. How am I supposed to tell when it's totally blended? That looks good enough for me. Okay, so in the ginger blonde, they have like this high lift booster. We're gonna see about this, because since I'm missing the two colors, I might just sprinkle a little bit in there, but we ain't gonna pour this whole thing in there. That mean I gotta read the instructions for this one too? Golly! Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna follow the instructions and put this high lift boosting powder in there. Am I scared? Yes. But like I said, if this messes up, I'm just gonna cut off all my hair. Like, period. Put on beyond, cause if we mess up. Okay, so you take the high lift booster, pour it into the developer, and you're gonna shake this for 10 seconds. Please don't let me follow instructions mess me up. And then we're gonna take the gel color and add it in here. And then we're gonna do that same thing with the other ginger blonde. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the first one with the other red copper. Okay. But now that I got them all mixed in the bottles, I'm gonna be pouring them into this bowl. I'm gonna start with one bottle of the red copper and one bottle of the ginger blonde. In a lot of the videos I watch, dang, I messed up this glove now, so I'm gonna have to switch that out. They put Vaseline around their like edges, so we gonna do that. That's to help with like the staining, I guess. I think that's what they said, so it doesn't stain your skin. I don't know if this is supposed to be like not do that, but better safe than sorry, honey. I'm gonna dip this into the color and apply it to my hair like this. I don't know how much to apply to the hair. My hair ain't long enough for me to see it. Ooh. Then I'm gonna just work it through my hair. I've applied it all to my head. I did end up using the other two because I was really low and I did not think that it was going to be enough for this section. And now I have like all of this in here and it's just gonna go to waste. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. I am going to put on a plastic cap, well, 2 plastic caps, because that's what I do. And I don't know if y'all could tell, but yeah, this is messy, like really messy. On my floor is really messy, but yeah, I'll see y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, so I may or may not have left it in my hair for more than 30 minutes. You know, may or may not. But we're gonna see what this color is looking like. So this is what my hair is looking like. So is this like the hair, the color that my hair is under here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. These 2 plastic bags have my hair hot. But yeah, I'm about to go and shampoo my hair. I'm probably not supposed to be running through it like that, but I'm about to go and shampoo my hair. Okay, so this is what the color is looking like. It is kind of what I was going for, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ma. Yeah, I'm excited. So I do have like some roots in the middle that are not the same color, and then for some reason right here is lighter. I don't know, but now I'm just gonna go in with these little packets. As I said, I'm gonna use all 3 of these, and I'm probably gonna use the big pack that I picked up. So I'm just gonna go deep condition my hair. Okay, so now it is time for the big reveal. Well, we already saw it, but this is my hair with the conditioner on it. Well, after I washed the conditioner out. And this is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. I like it. So I'm gonna give y'all a view of the bike. So, of course, the back is not perfect because I did it myself. And I ain't got eyes in the back of my head, okay? So I will be styling my hair. Stay tuned for that video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. That way you will be in touch and see how I style my new, I don't even know what to call this, my new color. Comment below what y'all think. Y'all like how this looks on me? I like it. I think it fits me. And like so far, like my hair feels good. Like it still look pretty good. No damage. No damage that I can see so far. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.